Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. I'm here to show you Tom's Wicked Fresh Toothpaste. I love this product so much for several reasons. One, the ingredients are really good and I'm not worried about those sneaky artificial sweeteners in this product. Two, the fluoride in this product helps me to feel good about protecting my teeth from cavities. And three, it works wonders on my breath.
I really love this toothpaste, and that's why I bought 6 at one time.
I wanted to make sure I had it on hand in case they ever were out. This is such a good toothpaste, and it's really worked wonders for me, and I think you'll enjoy it as well. I like how it keeps my teeth smooth, and it makes me feel a little more confident when I'm out in public. So that's my point of view.